don't even like you like that.
Who's the man?
He don't even like you. He don't even like you.
Who's the man? Who's the man? Hey, boy, that's a man. Who's the man?
He don't even like you like that. You always be texting him. You always be calling him. Hold on, let me get him on the phone. Hey motherfucker, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read down below, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be calling random girls and telling them I'm going to take their man. So this is my third video I'm filming today. I just have a urge to film. I just have an urge to film today, like. So we're going to be calling up some girls. I already have the WhatsApp number and everything ready. So I'm going to call them. I'm going to tell them that your man is my man.
And my man is your man, and your man is my man now.
Period. And we're gonna say, we're gonna do something. We gonna do something. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first person I'm going to call it is Liana, and she's online.
Hello?
Little girl, let me tell you something. You finna leave my man alone. You gonna leave my man alone.
Liana?
No, I don't see me. I don't see me. I'm a fight. Babe, I want to say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
I'm gonna have to hold my throat like this and talk. Okay. Ooh, Tatiana. Hello?
Hello?
Is this Tatiana?
Yeah.
Girl, I really just want you to leave my man alone.
What?
Girl, I said leave my man alone. Girl, bye. Goodbye. Enjoy your day. This is not about to be a fail. Somebody, probably I need to call like somebody else friend, because oh God, this is not it. Naomi. I'ma tell like this. I really be trying so hard, bro. Hello? Girl, is this Naomi?
Yes?
Yeah, girl, I just want you to leave my boyfriend alone because I just don't really like how you be texting him every time we're together.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Girl, don't be at this. Kiera, this is his wife, and you just a little side piece. I just want to let you know.
First of all, I don't talk to any boys.
Girl, stop playing. Really stop playing. You know you be talking to boys, so. And you be talking to my man in particular.
Liana?
At least she give a little 1-2, you know. At least she give a little 1-2. Call Jada. You know what? I'm gonna text them something rude. Probably then she gonna answer. Okay, I'm gonna text them something rude, like rude. I'm going to post a screenshot over here.
Hello?
Girl, are you hear me?
Huh?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I just really want you to leave my man alone. Like, can you just please stop texting him?
Killer.
Who's Kilia?
Akila.
No, baby.
Akila?
This Kira, baby. I know who the hell that is. Hello, baby. This Kira. I know who's Akilia. But I want you to leave my man alone. That's all I'm asking you.
Liana.
Oh, on a normal voice. Oh, on a normal voice. Dog. I give up. I really give up. This is just so weird. Like, call back. I did not call back. Yeah, I will call back. What the hell? I know why. I know who in the hell you think you are. Hello? Hello? I just really want you to leave my man alone. I really want you to leave my man alone.
Okay. Okay, that's all.
Why you acting so disrespectful?
Me? Girl, you call me. What's up,
I don't understand what the hell you saying, but I don't like your tone. You need to calm down, because you the one texting my man.
Okay.
He don't even like you like that.
Who's the man?
He don't even like you. He don't even like you.
Who's the man? Who's the man? Hey, boy, that's a man. Who's the man?
He don't even like you like that. You always be texting. You always be texting him. You always be calling him. Hold on, let me get him on the phone. Let me get him on the phone. Hold on. I don't remember her man's name. This girl is sick in her head, bro. I swear. I just really want you to leave my man alone. Can you do that for me, baby girl?
Who's the man?
Hello? Hello?
Who's the
Hello?
man?
I think.
Who's the man? Where's the man? Where your man? Some carry where your man?
What am I gonna say?
Where your man?
What am I
I'm
gonna
confused. Girl, I don't see my Let's go on.
What am I going to say? I think it's Michael. I'm gonna say Michael, guys. Hello?
What?
Are you gonna leave my man alone? And don't shout at me, ugly ass. Are you gonna leave my man alone?
Who's their man?
Michael.
Michael.
I know what's funny. I know what's funny to you.
God, that killed me. Who's the man? Michael.
Goodbye. This girl really my sister. Anyways, guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.